continue your next point. Try to one way to beat the clock while attending competitive exams, especially while attempting comprehensive questions, is to speed up reading thoroughly and effectively. Your next point, for effective speed reading, try to understand all the important keywords, then focus on them while trying to understand the meaning of the given passage. Next point, this will give you an idea on what the passage is about, and will also help you to provide satisfactory answers. Or to the questions asked about the passage provided. Or while searching for keywords, try to use or a mark or pen and mark the words that you find are important and are an essential part of the passage given. Your next point, try not to rely on outside knowledge. While attending an advanced reading comprehensions, try not to make answers or assumptions that are not included within the passage topic. If you fail to do so, you can easily lose marks during competitive exam. Just rely on whatever information is given in the passage and attempt questions by giving answers that are mentioned in the passage only. Don't jump into conclusion while answering questions. This gives off an impression that you have poorly understood the meaning of the passage. Try not to include your own version of answer. This can be marked wrong by the invigilator, thus leading to loss in marks. Try to stick with the information that is mentioned only in the passage itself and not on your knowledge and facts. Your last point, try not to be flustered. Another flustered means fear. Another factor that you should keep in mind while attempting a comprehension passage to have a relaxed state of mind and take your time in understanding the meaning of the passage given. When you come across an uncertain word or when you see a complex word, try not to get flustered and tense just because you do not know its meaning. The best method on which you can control being tensed is to be well prepared with the question in accordance with the difficulty level of the questions being asked. Next point, whenever you feel comfortable, tensed, and try to close your eyes for a few minutes and concentrate on what you are doing. To try to keep your mind calm and silent for a while. This will help you to focus more on your task, hence provide you with the necessary encouragement and support needed to answer the questions. Your last point, practicing a lot of questions under a fixed time will also help you to perform better while answering comprehensive questions. Okay, these are few tips about comprehension passes, how to crack the comprehension passes. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.